There are many words in the English language which begin with a WH sound, pronounced wh. For example, who, what, where, when, why, whisper, whisk, whip, whippersnapper, whirlpool, whirlwind, whippoorwill, and whirligig-beetle. Now I'll say it again slowly and in chunks, so you can repeat after me for practice. Let's begin. Who, what, where, when, why. Whisper, whisk, whip. Whippersnapper. Whirlpool, whirlwind, whippoorwill, and whirligig-beetle. One more time, a little faster. Who, what, where, when, why. Whisper, whisk, whip, whippersnapper. Whirlpool, whirlwind, whippoorwill, and whirligig-beetle. Now let's say the whole thing. First I'll say it and then you repeat. Who, what, where, when, why. Whisper, whisk, whip, whippersnapper. Whirlpool, whirlwind, whippoorwill, and whirligig-beetle. And now let's try, for the ultimate practice, to say the entire thing in one breath. First, take a deep breath. Inhale, and begin. Who, what, where, when, why, whisper, whisk, whip, whippersnapper, whirlpool, whirlwind, whippoorwill, and whirligig-beetle. Now, you try it and keep trying until you get it.